Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Market Daily Updates with Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises Serrac, and guys, we're gonna get right into it. So if you guys like to receive daily market updates of what somebody else's opinion is on what's going on in the crypto market, in the crypto sphere, in the crypto world, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bells, guys. We do this basically almost every day, guys. Once again, I have a life as well and other things, but I try to do this every day. So I give you guys an update of what I personally think is going to happen and what we could see if we could predict to happen in the short and long term. Let's get right into it, guys. So as everybody knows, the Bitcoin ETF has been approved. They went live today, and of course we are now getting a pump on Bitcoin, guys. So let's go to the 4 hourly. So actually, let's start in the 1 day, guys. So the 1 day chart for Bitcoin is looking pretty well. It's looking pretty good, guys. It's not looking, look at this, guys. So remember, this is a replica of this, and we are very similarly following the pattern, guys. Very similarly following the pattern. So it looks like excuse me, it looks like we are well on our way to like maybe breaking all-time highs, guys. We could be hitting 66, 67, even 70,000 within the next couple of days or weeks. But also remember, guys, the Bitcoin momentum is running on low fumes, to my personal opinion. Once again, not financial advice. My personal opinion is that Bitcoin is running on fumes and it's gonna need to take a breather for the next leg up eventually, guys. Because look at this, guys. So whenever the momentum is dark blue, you're getting some strong pumps, guys. Whenever the momentum starts to get off white, then you're gonna start to see some corrections coming in, guys. We really haven't seen much corrections in the past couple of, since what, starting here September 30th. So the beginning of August, we haven't really seen any major corrections, guys. So remember that we're eventually always due for a small correction. It's just normal for us to see those things happen and play out. Is that going to happen today or tomorrow? No, it probably may be happening within the next week or two, but we'll see, guys. We'll see. But it looks like Bitcoin is trying to break 64,000 and it's having trouble breaking 64,000. We've skimmed it 64,300 a couple of times, or 200, but it hasn't been able to break above that, guys. So it looks like the 4 hourly chart is still got some steam left. Could we be seeing the 64,000, 65,000 plus? I think that it's a possibility, because the 4 hourly chart still got some steam left. Now the 1 hour chart is kind of looking like it's starting to come back down on the RSI. It's kind of interesting that we didn't keep going up and us just going down. But we have yet to see, guys. This is all price discovery from here, guys. So once again, hard to predict exactly what's going to happen, because the moves can be so just parabolic out of nowhere. Just out of nowhere, we can see pumps. So once again, it's hard to TA once we're starting to get to these levels. But overall, it looks pretty good for Bitcoin. And eventually, we do need a correction. I think it's going to happen within the next 2 weeks. So it's fine, because then you should buy more. That's what I'm going to be doing, guys. Shiba coin, guys. Shiba coin, as I mentioned, running out of steam here on the 4 hourly. I did mention to you guys that Shiba coin on the 1 day is completely overbought. And it looks like it found support on the overbought level of 70 on the RSI. That's obviously not a great healthy thing, because eventually all cryptos need to correct down. But hey, we could see maybe a small pump, but right now it doesn't look like there's a major pump coming for Shiba coin, guys. It just looks like we may be trading sideways, or finding some corrections, probably going back down to the 0.25 area, 0.26, 0.24. That's a possibility, because on the 1 hour chart, let's see what we're doing. Yeah, it's starting to look a little bit dumpy, 1 hour, but it looks like actually it may be finding some support on the 1 hour. Yeah, look, on the 200-day moving average. It's trying to find support. So we'll see, guys. It looks like Shiba coin will be trading sideways. I don't see passing the all-time high. We may be trying to retest the all-time high, but I just don't see it passing the all-time high, guys. That's just what I see coming. Bitcoin dominance, guys, is very important. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is falling well within our channel, guys. Check it out. This is the channel that Bitcoin dominance Bitcoin dominance market cap is right here. Bitcoin, and it looks like Bitcoin dominance is obviously pumping because the price of Bitcoin is pumping against the altcoins. Bitcoin dominance is 47% right now, and it looks like on the 1-day chart, it still has some room to run. Now, can we keep going higher and higher and higher? I don't think we have more than a month of Bitcoin dominance left, guys. Eventually, we are going to need to take a correction, and maybe altcoins will pump then. But Bitcoin dominance can find probably some resistance here at the 49% area, and maybe come back down and retest. That's a possibility, guys. So let's keep an eye on that for the next couple of days, because it looks like we could still keep pumping, but there's not much room left, is what I'm trying to say. There is still room, just not a lot. Ethereum as well, guys. Ethereum on the 1-day chart, kind of looking like it's not doing so well. Once again, from other YouTubers that I follow, I've been learning that Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum tends to drop in dominance once, or even in what I'm trying to say is that Ethereum doesn't pump so much compared to Bitcoin on when Bitcoin pumps on Q4 basically. Q4 Bitcoin Ethereum doesn't do well, and then in Q1 2022 it looks like maybe Ethereum will have its day, but that doesn't mean that Ethereum, I apologize, guys, won't be able to put in some numbers. I mean, we could be seeing Ethereum trying to test the all-time high again. That's definitely a possibility, guys. On the 4-hour, it looks like we are finding some support right here on the 50, guys. So let's see what we have. We have this is the pattern, rising broadening wedge. It looks like maybe, let's say we touch the top of the pattern and then maybe come back down and retest, but or just break up, guys, because check it out. Looks like here we found support at this part, but now we're finding support here, which is the 50-day on the 1-hour. So it looks like maybe we could go like this and then either break above and go above all-time highs, or maybe get rejected down, guys. But those are two scenarios that are likely to happen. We'll see within the next couple of hours and days. Dogecoin as well, same thing as Shiba coin. Once that Elon Musk pump wore off, it looks like we're trying to find some support maybe at the 50-day moving average, once again at 23 cents, and then maybe we'll keep pumping back up on the 4-hourly. But overall, Dogecoin is not looking super strong, but it's looking like it's finding support above the bull market support band, which is a really good thing. So it looks like it may have some steam left. I don't know how much, but it looks like it may have some steam left. I hope that it breaks 34 cents pretty soon, guys. Let's look at Cardano, guys. Cardano's still in this triangle that I've been telling you guys since the other day. Cardano is kind of just trading sideways, but on the 4-hourly, it looks like it's finding once again support at the bottom of the channel. So guys, this is getting like Cardano could either keep dumping a little bit more and then eventually come back up, or either that, or Cardano's just gonna break below this and then maybe retest some of these wicks, retest probably like the $2 area. But it looks like right here you're completely overbought. Remember what I told you guys, I think yesterday or 2 days ago? Whenever you buy at the overbought at the 4-hourly, guys, usually you'll be able to ride it up for a pump. So it looks like we're getting there. It looks like we are getting there, and it looks like Cardano is either gonna break down a little bit more and then come back up, or just break down completely. We have yet to see that play out in the next couple of hours, guys. Let's see what other coins we can look at, guys, real quickly. Let's look at Solana, because that was a major pumper, guys. That was a major pumper back in the day. Remember that, like 2 months ago, a month ago? So Solana's in this major wedge right here, guys. So look, it's been just kind of respecting this wedge where it goes like this, like this, like that, like that, like that, and maybe it's gonna keep going all the way down, and then boom, eventually break back out when altcoins pump, or it's just gonna break down. Either way, guys, there's gonna be a big move coming for Solana. To me, unfortunately, it looks like maybe Solana will end up breaking down because Solana hasn't had a real correction yet. It's like had a half correction, and then maybe it's either gonna have to, right here, guys, it's either gonna have to correct all the way down or gonna have a pump. It has to be one or the other, guys. We are getting so close to the apex on Solana that something is gonna need to give, guys. So let's keep an eye on that, guys. We'll put Solana up on the top of our list so we can remember to keep looking at Solana, okay? That's it for now, guys. Overall, the market sentiment is that, hey, we are once again in uncharted territory, guys. Bitcoin will either keep pumping, put in solid all-time highs, or maybe it'll break down and then come back for a retest. But overall, it looks like Bitcoin is still trying to fight the fight of the all-time high, guys. So let's just see what happens, guys. There's no predictions here. So let's just see what happens, and then we will let things kind of just play out, because once again, this Bitcoin could retest the top of this and then come back down. So we'll see, guys. Thank you very much for watching. You can always get out of the rat race too. If you guys wanted me to check out any coins, feel free to leave them down below, and I'm happy to check out what I think about any other coin related to TA. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.